Hello and welcome to Farm Space. We are at Hero Bagger here at AGRITECHNICA. Hurwitz Farming has now got the right to import these machines, put all your silage in like these silo bags and things. Talking to Lucas, he's going to explain to me exactly how the solution works and so forth. So let's have a listen. Lucas, how are you doing?
Fine, thanks.
No, good, thanks. Hero Bagger, or Hero Bagging. Explain to me quickly, what is it that you guys do?
We make machines for storage of feed in bags,
Yes.
maize silage, grass silage, sugar beet pulp, maize.
So basically everything that you can store in a bag, you make the machines to put those
Yes,
in the
machine
bags.
and bags like sausage.
Yes.
This is our job.
And explain to me quickly, because I'm guessing that's the machine that is there behind you.
Yeah.
Explain to me quickly, how does that machine work?
It's simple. Comes trailer,
Yeah.
is maize, dump it in.
So you basically
This
dump
nice
it in
tractor
here?
is feeding in, and behind is silage bag, and it's going.
Okay, so
Correct.
and then it basically feeds it with this conveyor belt, am I
Yes,
correct? So
yes.
basically this conveyor belt feeds it in,
Yes.
goes through that, I'm guessing, that
The
rotor
rotor
type
is
setup.
turning and is pushing material inside.
Yeah.
And behind it is tunnel.
Yes. And then let me just get that from this side. And then the silo bag comes on
Silo
top
bag
of
is
that.
here, and behind that, the machine goes forward.
And slowly forwards, and it
Yes.
basically pushes itself
Yes.
out as it unloads. So you get models specifically on the grain side
Yeah.
that you can just hitch behind a tractor. It's a lot smaller than this thing. What is the advantages of having something like this machine?
Because it's very flexible, you can storage a lot of type of
Yes.
feed in one place.
So it's not
independent
only
on the
grain,
weather,
you can do the silage
Yeah.
as well.
and it's immediately fermented.
Yeah.
If you make pits, air goes in, rain goes in, and it destroys quality of the feed. In bags is everything much more fresh.
I'm with you. So that's on the silage side if you use this instead of a pit.
Yeah.
And on the grain side, when I'm looking at the machines, you get these smaller machines that you put on a tractor, just on the tractor, just on the back.
Yes.
But they can only do the grain. What's the difference between those machines and this machine?
But grain is more easy, not so heavy, so it's
Yeah.
just leaking to the bag. But this machine has to hardly make the pressure.
So it
That's
needs
the main difference.
to push everything into the bag.
Yes. It is much more pressure than in grain. Yeah. This is why the machine looks more complicated, because it's heavy to make it, the pressure.
And is it self-propelled? Do I need a tractor to put onto it? How does it work?
Most of our machines are tractor driven, but we do also self-propelled baggers.
So I can get a self-propelled,
Yeah.
and this one I'm guessing is self-propelled because
No, it
it's
looks
got a
like,
cab.
but it's not.
It's not.
It's not contracting special machine,
Yes.
because many operators don't want to stand on normal baggers, so they sit in the cabin, especially for Europe.
It's Europe, hey?
Yeah.
And so I just want to make sure. So this is then where the tractor hitches,
Yes.
and then I've got the hydraulics.
Hydraulic hoses, yes.
Goes to
For
the
one
tractor,
circle.
and then I basically work it with the remote.
Yeah.
Easy peasy. And in terms of transporting this, I see that it's got the wheels. Looks like air brakes and everything.
Yeah.
And does it fold up? What's the width? How does the transport work?
Transport width is up to 3 meters, so it's 2.85 roughly.
Yeah.
And tonnage is almost 11 tons, this machine.
Awesome. So and I'm guessing
And for powering the machine, you need 200 HP tractor.
about 200 horsepower.
It can work smaller
Yeah.
also, but we
But
recommend
depending
it
if you want to
200.
work faster, and if I put the
Yes,
300 on it,
yes,
it will just
yes.
give me a little bit more
But
capacity.
we have customers with 150, 160 HP, and it works.
And it works.
Yeah.
And if I go to transport mode, I'm guessing this thing just swings
This
out.
turns, the wheels turns too, and then you go in that direction. And then
Awesome.
you come to field and bend it and start bagging.
Lastly, the different types of machines that you've got. You said you've got smaller and so forth. How does it work? Does it work in tons per hour, or how do you measure
I would
that?
say capacity of almost all baggers are
Yes.
same or similar, but difference is in equipment. Some machines have more hydraulic, or more electronic, but the basic of the machine is everywhere same.
So depending on my needs, what I want, do I want to go more hydraulic or more mechanical? That's the direction that you can then assist us.
It's a question of comfort and so on.
And spare parts and everything, you will be supplying everything to Hurwitz Farming, and they'll be able to look after me as a farmer.
Yeah.
Awesome. Lucas, thank you very much. Right, so that is Lucas from Euro Bagging. And so yeah, if you're in South Africa, you're looking for a Euro bagger, that one, contact Hurwitz Farming, link on top or below. Talk to Jaron, we'll sort you out. Till next time, cheers.